Hello everyone, and how are you doing? I am Risa, and you already know this channel is all about evolving and being the better version of ourselves. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. So today I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to always look good but on a budget. I know we have bills to pay, we have projects to carry, but as a woman you always still want to look good while doing your stuffs. So tip number one, be intentional. Know your style. Know exactly what you are buying. The first thing you want to do is to understand your body shape. Know what suits you. Not because it suits someone or you admire it on someone and you want to buy, and before you know, you realize, oh, this outfit doesn't really suit me, and you have to give it out, and that is wasting money because you were not actually planning to buy and give out. So in order to save your money, you want to understand your body shape. Be intentional about what you're buying. Like, buy only items you will use. Like, when you're going to the shopping mall, this is exactly what I'm going to buy. At times I even have it on a list, so I don't impulsively shop around, because trust me, if you don't do that, you end up being tempted to just buy any nice thing you see. But once you know you have that intention of, like, this is what I'm going to get, you always stay on track and buy just items you will end up using, and not wasting your money having a lot of things in your wardrobe, or a lot of clothes you end up not wearing because you just bought them impulsively. You don't even know if they'll suit your own body shape. And I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So tip number two, try buying more of practical things you can wear many times or all the times, rather than occasional items, clothes. And so there are some particular clothes you just wear just for parties. You wear the dress just one time and you don't know where else to wear that dress to because it is too formal. Also, go for items that you can wear to like 5 different kinds of occasions, but you still look good. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Like, avoid buying a lot for specific occasions. Buy versatile outfits that you can wear all the time. That is a mistake I used to do before. Like, I will always go out to shop. If I know there is a party, I go get a dress that I can wear for that party. That is just for parties, and I end up not using, after spending a lot of money, I end up not having to use that dress again to go maybe to church or a birthday party or whatever. So tip number 3, if possible, only buy quality items. It is better to have few quality items than a lot of rubbish that can not last, and you end up spending money all the time because you buy low quality items that get bad. Every market day you need to go and shop because you bought something with low quality and it doesn't last, and you have to keep replacing. And take your time, shop intentionally, buy items that will last for years. For instance, the hair I have on, this is 3 years old, but it always look like new because it is good hair. So if you invest on quality items, they last you for years, and you avoid buying all the time. That is a secret. People will always look at you like, oh, she's so extravagant, whereas you spend your money on quality items so you don't have to buy rubbish and keep replacing every day. So if you're a smart person and not penny wise and pound foolish, invest your money on quality items that will last you for years. Like, go for quality, mark my word, you will thank me. They never get bad. You never think of replacing them. You always have them, and they always look good and elevate your look as well. That is a big level up. Yeah, so that is tip number 3. Tip number 4, there are some colors that are timeless. You see black, you see white, you see milky color. Those colors are timeless. You can wear a black pant over and over and over with different tops and no one will ever notice. So you want to buy more of classic color items like black, like white. They never go out of fashion. Go for classic items that will last you for long. That is something I have tried, and trust me, that has saved me a lot of money. I have more of black and white. I have just a few of colorful items just for matchy, you know, once in a while. But if you're a beginner, you're starting to build your wardrobe, to go for those classic colors, black, white, a few colorful items. But trust me, black, white, milky color, they never go out of fashion. That is a secret. Yeah, so that is tip number 4. Tip number 5, I don't know where you live, but doing your nails here in America, like doing your manicure pedicure, is somewhere around $100 to $150. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money you can save if you buy your nail polish remover, like your manicure pedicure stuffs, and have them all at home. You save a lot of money. You tend to do your nails yourself at home. That is helping you save a lot of money but still look good. You don't have to just like throw yourself, not take care of yourself because you're saving. You can do it smart and still look good. Trust me, I am allergic to looking tacky. So I try to learn different ways to look good but still on a budget, so I can have enough money to pay my bills and carry my projects without stressing, you know. So have your manicure, pedicure items at home, your nail polish, everything you need to have your nails done. Just buy and you will realize you save a lot of money. As well as makeup. I used to be guilty at times. I'll have like 3 different kinds of bronzers, foundations, different eye pencils. Like I just buy them randomly, just buy different. They do the same thing, all do the same thing. So just try to shop smart. When you go to the shopping mall, try those foundations and know the one that suits you. Stick to it. Only buy what you need. Don't overspend buying a lot, because they all do the same thing. It is just for you to know the exact brand or color that suits you well and stick to it. I hope you get. Trust me, as a woman, it feels good to look good, but you have to do it smart, on a budget, without spending lots and lots of money. And so these are tips I learned, I've tried over time, and these tips have helped me save while still having to carry on my stuffs and still look good. So remember, we are all work in progress. We are evolving. We are improving to be the better version of ourselves. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. So try these tips. Pick 1 or 2 that you're comfortable with. Trust me, you will be so happy and thank me later. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I am Risa. I have 2 channels. This is not Risa's Tips. This is Evolving with Risa. So this is another channel. If you're from my old channel, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my tips, and I get to see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and